God, what are you doing? I mean, have you no fear? Have you seen my beloved? Why have you come back here?
Took the letter like you said. I met her father at the door. He said he would give it. I don't think I can stand anymore.
I mean, what's wrong? There's something wet upon your hair. I mean, you're hurt, you need some help. Oh God, it's everywhere.
Don't you fret, Monsieur Marius. I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. You're here. Oh, that's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe. And you will keep me close. And rain will make the flowers grow.
But you will live to me, dear God above. If I could close your wounds with the words of love.
Just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me.
You would live 100 years if I could show you how. I won't desert you now.
The rain can't hurt me now. This rain will wash away what's past. And you will keep me safe. And you will keep me close. I'll sleep in your embrace at last.
So,
The rain that brings you here is heaven blessed. The skies begin to clear and I learn to rest. A breath away from where you are, I've come home from so far.
hush it
So don't you fret, Monsieur Marius. I don't feel any